Hallo liebe Leute, today we will do the sound of German alphabets in more detail. Diphthonge oder die Aussprache, which is the pronunciation of some letters or the combination of some letters which we call constant pairs. So let's start with the letter S, which will sound like the letter C of English alphabet. We also have some examples. Die Sonne, die Sonne. Die Sonne, the sun. Die Sache, die Sache. Die Sache, things. Suchen, suchen. Suchen, to search. In this combination of S and P, the sound will be sh. Sh. The first example we have is Spielen. Spielen. You can always start slowly if it is difficult for you to pronounce. I will also try to be slow for you guys. So, the examples are Spielen. Spielen. Spielen is to play. Die Speise. Speise. Die Speise, dish. Sprechen. Sprechen. Sprechen, to speak. So the next we have is S-T. S-T. S-T will sound like st, st. Let's see the examples. Der Stuhl. Der Stuhl. Der Stuhl is the chair. Die Stadt. Die Stadt. Die Stadt, the city. Die Stunde. Die Stunde. Stunde is hour. Der Stern. Der Stern. Der Stern, the star. S-C-H. S-C-H will sound like sh, like S-H in sheep. So, the examples are die Schule. Die Schule. Die Schule, the school. Die Schuhe. Die Schuhe. Die Schuhe, shoes. Schon. Schon. Schon, pretty. Schreiben. Schreiben. Schreiben, to write. T-S-C-H. T-S-C-H will give sound like CH in chopper word of English. Ch. So the examples we have are Deutschland. Deutschland. Deutschland is Germany. Deutsch. Deutsch. Deutsch, German language. Tschüss. Tschüss. Tschüss is informal bye. Our next constant pair is E-A. E-A gives sound of E. E. Okay, so the examples are Spielen. Spielen. Spielen is to play. Feel. Feel. Feel, many. Fliegen. Fliegen. Fliegen is to fly. The next constant pair we have is A-E. A-E. And A-E will give sound like I. I. Let's see the examples. Eins. Eins. Eins is 1. The next example is zwei. Zwei. Zwei is 2. 9. 9. 9 is to say no, or it's simply no. As you can see, EA and AE seems quite the same. So the easy way to remember the sound of these constant pair is to memorize them with examples. Trust me, you will never get confused between them. E will also give sound as I. Let's see the example. Der Mai. Der Mai. Der Mai is the month of May. The letter A and U will sound like Oi. Oi. Das Feuer. Das Feuer. Feuer is fire. 9. 9. 9 is number 9. Euro. Euro. Euro is euro currency. A umlaut U will also give sound as Oi. Das äußerste. Das äußerste. Äußerste is extreme. A U. A U together will be pronounced as Au. Au. Die Augen. Die Augen. The meaning of Augen is eyes. A se ha. A se ha will give sound as Ach. The example we have is Acht. Acht. Acht is number 8. O se ha. O se ha will give sound as Och. Och. Die Woche. Die Woche. Woche is week. U se ha. U se ha will give sound as Uch. The examples are Auch. Auch. Auch is 2. Das Buch. Das Buch. Das Buch is book. Yod. Yod. This letter will give sound as ya. Remember not to confuse this letter with the letter J of English language, because the letter J will always sound different than the letter J of German. The example is der Juli. Der Juli. Der Juli is the month of July. V. V. This letter will give sound of letter F. Remember, do not confuse it with the letter V of English language. The examples are feel, 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 many. Fear, fear, fear is number 4. Der Vogel, der Vogel, der Vogel is bird. Set, set. Set will give sound of the letter S of English language. So let's see the example. The side. The side. The side is time. Das Zimmer. Das Zimmer. Das Zimmer is the room. Zwei. Zwei. Zwei is number 2. PF. PF will give sound as the letter F. Das Pferd. Das Pferd. Das Pferd, horse. Die Pflanze. Die Pflanze. Die Pflanze is plant. Seha. Seha will give sound as the letter K or as in the word character. So example is Sechs. Sechs. Sechs is number 6. A umlaut. A umlaut will give sound as A. Die Äpfel. Die Äpfel. Die Äpfel is the plural of apple. Die Ersten. Die Ersten. Die Ersten is female doctor. O umlaut. O umlaut will give sound as io. Io. Die Möbel. Die Möbel. Die Möbel is furniture. Öffnen. Öffnen. Öffnen is to open. U umlaut. U umlaut. U umlaut will give sound as U. Der Schlüssel. Der Schlüssel. Der Schlüssel is key. The next example is Übung. Die Übung. Die Übung is exercise. A umlaut se ha. A umlaut se ha will give sound as ich. Das Gespräch. Das Gespräch. Das Gespräch is conversation. O umlaut se ha. O umlaut se ha will give sound as Josh. Josh. Möchten. Möchten. Möchten is to want. U umlaut se ha. U umlaut se ha will give sound as Usch. Usch. Die Bücher. Die Bücher. Die Bücher is the plural of book. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope that I made it easy for you to learn diphthongs of German language. And if I really helped you, please like and subscribe my channel.